Hello, my name is Jeff Bogert. This video illustrates the results of running a Python program called pagerank.py, which implements two approaches to calculating page rank. This is a part of Harvard CS50's Introduction to AI with Python. PageRank algorithm was created by Google co-founders and named for Larry Page, one of those co-founders. And what it is the probability of being on a particular web page that is one of several that have links to each other. And in this presentation, we use an input file called a corpus, C-O-R-P-U-S, and you'll see there are three of them identified with a 0, 1, and 2 that it can be used as inputs into the program. So the page rank is determining a probability of being on a particular web page that is in a group that have links to each other. And that will be the input to the process. And in this program, a model was created of a transition from page to page, and a simulation is run using that model to determine page rank. And another process is to use a formula for page rank and run that formula with a random start and then iterating to find out the same results. So if we look at the corpus 0, there are 4 different web pages involved. And here we have the results of the first the sampling being done, and then the results of iterating on a formula. And you can see they're similar but not the same, and that's because of the random variations. When we go to the second set of things in the corpus number 1, we have a larger group of web pages, and again we sample them and get a determination of the probability of being on a particular page from that sampling, and then do the same thing by doing a formula that iteratively comes to a conclusion. And again, you can see that the results are similar, but they're not exactly the same. And finally, we do the same thing for the third corpus, and in there's another group of web pages that are being calculated. Again, as an example, we can look at this one and then this one down here to see that they are similar, but they follow the same sort of a trend in terms of their values. So that's the purpose of this presentation, is to illustrate this technique and being done by a program that was developed for this course. Thank you very much.